1,000 girls from Alliance Girls were asked about the days of the week they like. The survey showed that 560 liked Sundays, 380 liked Wednesdays, 220 liked Fridays, 160 liked Sundays and Wednesdays, but not Fridays, 80 liked Fridays and Wednesdays, but not Sundays, 40 liked all the 3 days, and 30 liked Sundays and Fridays, but not Wednesdays. So 1, draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information. And once we have the Venn diagram, respond to part 1 to part 5. Now it's very clear that we have 3 main sets. So when we draw a Venn diagram, we should have 3 circles within the rectangle. And these 3 circles will represent Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And the total value within the rectangles will be adding up to 1,000 because that's the number of students who are involved in this survey. So let's check how we solve this. So without loss of generality, let S mean Sunday, W mean Wednesdays, F to mean Fridays. So let's have that. Those are our 3 sets. So we are going to have this as our universal set. Cardinality of this is 1,000. So let this be the set representing Sundays. Let this represent Wednesday. Let this represent Friday. Without loss of generality, let's partition these parts with some names. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Now, it's very clear that A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H is 1,000. Call it question 1. Now, 560 liked Sundays. So meaning that if we add everything within the green circle, we should get 560. So A plus B plus D plus E is 560. Call it 2. The other information is 380 liked Wednesdays. So Wednesdays is a black circle. So B plus C plus E plus F will give us a total of 380. Call it 3. And 220 liked Fridays. So 220 Fridays, this pink circle. So if I take D plus E plus F plus G, I get 220. Call it 4. Now, the other information is that 160 liked Sundays and Wednesdays, but not Fridays. So means these 160 are where S and W meets, but then that part should not be also counted to be in F. So let's first identify where S and W meet. SW meets the green circle meets the black circle at B and E. But then we don't want to be in set F. So therefore, we are going to exclude E and remain with this part B. And therefore, B is what will have the value 160. So this is where you have 160. And then 80 liked Fridays and Wednesdays, but not Sunday. This means we should be where F and W meets. So if we go to a diagram, SW, we should where 80 should be where F and W meets. So FW, F the pink circle, W the black circle. So these two meets E and F. But then we don't want to be in S. So we are going to exclude this part E, because if we involve E, we'll be in S. So this is the only part. So this is what you are calling 80. And then 40 liked all the 3 days. So to have a liking of all the 3 days means you are sitting in E. So this is 40. 30 liked Sundays and Fridays, S and F. S and F meets at E and D, but we don't want to be in W. So we remove E, because if we count E, we'll also be counted to be in W. So which means the part which represents 30 liked Sundays and Fridays, but not Wednesdays, is this part D. So where there's D, we fill 30. So it's like we are almost done, because from equation 2, A plus B, which is 160, plus D, which is 30, plus E, which is 40, should give us 560. So if we take 160 plus 30 plus 40, we get 230. If we subtract 230 from 560, we get part A to be 330. And then G, this B plus C, so B, which is 160, plus C, which is unknown, plus E, which is 40, plus F 80, should give us a total of 380. So 160 plus 40 plus 80, 280 minus, or from 380 is 100. So C is 100. So fill 100 this point. Then from question 4, D, which is 30, plus E, which is 40, plus F, which is 80, plus G, should give us 220. So I have 30 plus 40 plus 80, 150 from 220 is 70. So this is 70. Now, when we add everything within the rectangle, should get 1,000. So from equation 1, A is 330, plus B 160, plus C 100, plus D 30, plus E 40, plus F 80, plus G 70, plus H should be 1,000. So 330 plus 160 plus 100 plus 30 plus 40 plus 80 plus 70 is 810. So from 1,000, we get 190. So that's our complete Venn diagram, which is going to help us now respond to the questions from 1 to 5. So draw a Venn diagram to bring the information. Then how many students liked none of the 3 days? To have to have no liking of the 3 days means you are outside the 3 sets. So the answer will be 190 H. So 190 is the first solution. Then how many students liked exactly 1 day? That's Roman 2. Exactly 1 day means you either like Sunday alone, Wednesday alone, or Friday alone. So that will be part A, which is 330, plus part C, which is 100, plus part G, which is 70. So 190 plus 330 plus 70. 330 plus 100 plus 70. That is 500. So So this gives us 500. Roman 3, how many students, or find the percentage of students who like exactly 1 day. So remember, percent is usually given by what is given or favorable by the total times 100%. So we'll have 500 divided by total, which is 1,000, times 100%. So these two zeros, 1 and 1. So the answer will be 50%. And then how many students liked Fridays or Sundays? Means you are in F or S or both. So FS, F and S will be 330 plus 160 plus 40 plus 30 plus 70 plus 80. So 330 plus 160 plus 40 plus 30 plus 70 plus 80. We get 710. So the answer will be 710. And how many students liked 1 or 2 of the 3 days? So 1 or 2 of the 3 days means everything within the circles apart from this E, which involves 3. So we'll have 330 plus 160 plus 100 plus 30 plus 80 plus 70. That gives us 770 as the answer to the last part of the question. Thank you.